out here on the CA Delta. Out here, there's Garlic Rose. We're gonna be fishing around in here. Since the Stratus is broken, I need a new motor for the jack plate. So once that gets fixed, we'll be back on the water with the Stratus. But as of right now, we're out here in tight lines and a little flat bottom riverboat that I got. And I can see some fish surfacing out here. I'm pretty sure Casey's gonna throw a frog up in there, but I'm gonna key in on this outside toolies because this water is 67.9 degrees. But I'm pretty sure it's going to go down, even though actually it's probably about to be this because of the sheer fact that I have the transducer and everything in the water already. So there should be a topwater bite. This is normally my go-to topwater bait too on the Delta. You know how many striper this bait has slayed?
Right there. Move. Move.
Go, get him, Casey.
Damn it, hell missed it.
No, dude, they'll be all around it. Just jerk the hell out of it, possibly. Oh no, I'm over a log. Get over that log, Tyler. Oh, right there. Hold on.
Where?
Right there in front. Be a shad. Got one. Oh, it's a bass, largemouth.
He just succumbed to everything.
Accept it. First fish of the day, and he is literally half the size of my bait. Well, me and Tim figured it out.
Tim?
Yeah, no, me and Tim figured it out when
Yo, they're busting over there. Holy fuck!
That's a big one. Dude, that was like a 10-pounder. Wait, they're busting right there too, Case. Oh, he missed it.
I'm a little fucked.
They're all right here, dude. They got the bass going too. We have to stay here. But me and Tim figured it out. When you find the bait and the striper are going and they're near the bank, it gets the largemouth going too, which is typical.
Probably go with a blue and white jerk bait.
Anything white, I'm telling you, anything white works. Hey, you want a bag? I literally thought this was a stick or a tree. Yeah, I was wrong. I was dead wrong. Whoo! That was a bass, largemouth. That's about a 3-pounder. Right here at the boat. And that's why you guys get a John boat. Oh yeah.
No.
And that's why you get a John boat, because you come here stealthy and they know you're here. If they miss it, dude, if it's a school, they'll come and get it. They'll work for it.
Look at this. Oh, damn it.
Yeah, I know when it swivels underneath the surface, it's
Not
mint.
like this.
Oh, like that? That's minty.
Oh. There you go.
That's a largemouth. I think, yeah. This isn't a bad one, dude. Honestly, I'll be honest with you. There, I lied. Thank you.
Oh, there's bait there, right there.
Second fish of the day. He's warm too. He a warmy boy.
Oh my god, I still need to get these things.
You got him?
Yeah.
Oh yes, you do. That looks like that could be a decent one, Case. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice little chunky butt. I mean, that's definitely not a Delta toad, but I mean, shoot, for getting in this oh, dude, that fish is weird shaped.
If I catch a 10.
I'd be happy for you. I've caught my fair shares of 10s.
I caught about 10 pounds of weeds. Oh!
I watched the wake come, dude. I watched him come and wake it. I wonder if this could be his fry too, because there's fry right here. You little LMB slayer. Oh, I like how this looks. You got him? Please tell me you got him, 'cause you just hit me in the face. That looks like a good fish too, the way you roll. Oh yeah, that's a nice one, Case. Need help? That's definitely our biggest of the day. I'll give that to you. Oh, stands up. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Look at the color on that one, dude. He ate it too.
Peg.
Oh, look at her tail. Nice.
Dude, her tail's fucked.
That's a chunky little girl too. That's weird. That's a short and stout fish. Let me know when you're gonna release. I'll get the release of it. Oh my god, my reel just backtracked.
Alright.
Good.
Goodbye, baby.
Matt, what would you do if you saw a turtle on top of that?
I'd be highly and
Oh yeah, you're right. You do got one. Hell yeah.
oh shit.
Not a bad one either. On the jerky jerk.
I don't think
Oh dude, he's a awkward hook angle.
now he's in a weird hook angle. I had him in the mouth. That was cool, man.
Bet you he would have eaten the gantarelle, or at least hit it, followed it or something. Matt, what would you do if you saw a turtle on top of that?
I'd be highly and
Oh yeah, you're right. You do got one. Hell yeah.
oh shit.
Not a bad one either. On the jerky jerk.
I don't think
Oh dude, he's a awkward hook angle.
now he's in a weird hook angle. I had him in the mouth. That was cool, man.
Bet you he would have eaten the gantarelle, or at least hit it, followed it or something. It's out here a little bit deeper too. Oh, little baby bass or bluegill.
Oh, I just thought
Monster fish killer. Yeah, I got a little bluegill looking at my bait.
Look at that. I just like fucked them up.
Heck yeah.
You ever caught a tagged bass out of the Delta?
No. I don't think I've ever caught a tagged bass besides at the pond.
I know there's rewards out there if you catch a tag.
Mm-hmm.